Saffron Housing has over 6,000 properties around the east of England of various ages, some old, some new. Our mission is to raise the quality of our older stock, bring it up to Munday standards where possible. At the Mendham Close project, we're dealing with 15 properties which have no source of gas, so they had storage heaters, which isn't the best form of heating. It tends to give tenants a blast of heating in the morning and then tends to dwindle out throughout the day so tenants come home to no heating.
No, they don't, because they're not regular. They are hot in the morning, cold in the evening. So I would like a heating that is on all the time, that you can regulate. Absolutely. Yes, definitely. Because being on pension, you don't have any spare cash for extra bills. And that's going to be very hard to find the money. So I am worried, yes.
You know, you can save on electricity in so many areas, but with heating, you don't have that choice. It's either on or off, isn't it?
Partnering with Ecodan allowed us to put air source heat pumps in these properties, which ultimately gives them consistent heating as they need it and not just blast in the morning.
I'm looking to have more control over it and to lower my heating costs, really. If I've got the control, I should be able to lower them.
Cheaper bill and warmth all the time.
Ecodan was a perfect solution for us here. We've used them before, they're tried and tested for us. We needed something that was going to be robust and trustworthy because we've got elderly people. We need their heating systems to work all the time. We've put it in, it's almost plug and play. It's really simple to install. We can get the jobs done quick and we're in and out, less disruption. The heat pump itself, we had to make sure we could site it sometimes, a bit closer to a boundary or something, but with the Ecodan we can do that because it's ultra quiet. Some of the airing cupboards in the properties were tight, but we got over that again. We used a third-party cylinder, but still kept the reliability of the Ecodan heat pump. When we started the project here, we had Mitsubishi involved right from the start. They were here with us to design the systems. We agreed what products we would use. They came down in the middle of the project to make sure it was going okay. And at the end, when we were commissioning, they was always at the end of the phone if we needed help.
Oh, it was brilliant. Dodd Group came in and the old storage heaters were removed, thank goodness. They're so inefficient against this new system, and they worked professionally and clean, tidy, with respect. I'm more than happy.
Yes, I have got more control, and I like to have it set at about 20, and if it's colder, I can go to the control and turn it up.
I can organise separate rooms. I know that the whole radiator is going to heat and the panel's easy enough to use, and it's absolutely brilliant. Well, it's wonderful. I don't hear anything. There's no noise seems to come from it, and it is working, but it's not making any noise. It's great. And it's very efficient, so that's the main thing.
Definitely. Yes, I would. I think it's great. And if anybody asked me, I would say go for it.
Oh, definitely. Yeah. No other words needed, definitely.
This particular project was funded by the local authority delivery scheme, also known as LAD2, But we've worked with Ecodans on previous projects such as the Warm Homes, and we are working with them with the Social Housing Decarbonisation Fund.
Social housing projects like these are key for us to deliver our net zero target, as alongside social housing providers like Saffron and experienced installers like Dodd Group. They make these projects really easy to deliver. For me personally, to be able to come down here and deliver these projects alongside those two clients, it's nice to see that we do make a difference to these tenants, not only financially, but in terms of health and well-being also.
To find out more about the benefits of renewable heating for social housing, visit their website at ecodan.co.uk.